What if I told you that your homeowner's insurance might not cover the disaster you're most worried about? Most homeowners are shocked to discover the truth about their policies, often when it's too late. Why misunderstanding your homeowner's insurance is dangerous? Think you know what your homeowner's insurance covers? Think again. A shocking number of homeowners are in the dark about their policies. Even those who've read the fine print often misunderstand what's actually covered. And the consequences? Expensive. Homeowners insurance. What you don't know could cost you. Big, here's the deal. Most people assume their insurance has them covered for just about everything. But that's far from the truth. A recent survey by Guardian Service found that over 50% of homeowners lack confidence in their understanding of their policies. Even worse, 41% mistakenly believe flood damage is covered under standard plans. Spoiler alert, it's not. Before we continue, stay up to date on all the latest insurance news, expert tips, and breaking developments by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Your support helps us deliver the stories that matter most to you, with clear explanations and timely updates. Just click the link in our bio and hit subscribe to join our growing community, so you never miss an important update in the world of insurance. And it's not just about floods. Many homeowners are shocked to learn that their policies don't cover things like wear and tear, mold, or even certain types of storm damage. The result? Denied claims and thousands of dollars in unexpected repair costs. Common misconceptions. Let's bust some myths. Here are 3 things people think are covered, but aren't. Flood damage if a river overflows or heavy rain floods your basement. Don't expect your standard policy to help. Flooding requires separate insurance, often through the National Flood Insurance Program. Yet 41% of homeowners wrongly assume they're covered, according to Guardian Service. And with floods causing an average of $25,000 in damage per inch of water, that's a costly mistake. Wear and tear got old, rotting wood around your windows or doors? That's on you. Insurance doesn't cover damage caused by neglect or maintenance issues. This is especially common in older homes, like New York's iconic brownstones. Expert wood rot repair and replacement is a must in these cases. Ignoring it? Big mistake. Wood rot spreads fast and can compromise your home's structure. And yet, many homeowners are surprised to learn that their policy won't help with this kind of damage. Mold caused by a sudden pipe burst may be covered. Mold from high humidity or a slow leak? Nope. You're footing that bill. According to Lemonade Insurance, mold is one of the most misunderstood exclusions in homeowners' policies. And with repair costs often running into the thousands, it's a costly oversight. Why it matters? Ignoring damage, like wood rot, can lead to bigger problems. A small patch of rot around a window frame might seem harmless, but left untreated, it can spread to the surrounding structure. In older homes, this is especially risky. Brownstone doors and window frames, for example, are notorious for hidden rot. Addressing it early can save you thousands in repairs. And it's not just about maintenance. Misunderstanding your policy can leave you vulnerable in a crisis. A Guardian Service survey found that 39% of homeowners have less than $2,500 saved for emergency repairs. That's not enough to cover even minor damage, let alone a major disaster. The problem isn't limited to one group, but some generations are worse off than others. Gen Z, for example, is the least informed, with 72% failing a basic insurance quiz. Millennials aren't far behind, with only 25% answering all questions correctly. Baby boomers, on the other hand, performed the best, with 90% passing the quiz. Why the gap? Experts point to a lack of education and engagement. Younger homeowners are more likely to rely on others, like parents or landlords, for insurance decisions. They're also less likely to shop around for better coverage, leaving them stuck with policies they don't fully understand. From personal oversight to public crisis. Why homeowners can't afford to be unprepared. This isn't just a personal finance issue, it's a public one. With extreme weather events becoming more frequent, the stakes for homeowners are higher than ever. Floods, hurricanes, and wildfires are on the rise, and many homeowners are unprepared. Misunderstanding your policy isn't just inconvenient, it's dangerous. And it's not just about natural disasters. Everyday issues like wood rot or mold can spiral out of control if left unaddressed. In areas with older homes, like New York, this is especially common. Brownstone doors and window frames are particularly vulnerable to rot, and repairs can be costly. Ignoring the problem, even costlier. What can you do? First, read your policy. Seriously, don't just skim it, read it. If something's unclear, ask your insurance agent. Second, stay on top of maintenance. Insurance is for emergencies, not neglect. And finally, consider additional coverage if you live in a high-risk area, flood zones, earthquake-prone regions, etc. The bottom line, homeowners insurance isn't a magic safety net. It's a tool. But like any tool, it only works if you know how to use it. So, take the time to understand your policy. Your wallet will thank you. Let's recap the key takeaways. Over half of homeowners don't fully understand their policies, and common exclusions like flood damage, wear and tear, and mold can leave you with thousands in unexpected costs. Remember, standard policies don't cover floods. You need separate insurance. Maintenance issues like wood rot are your responsibility, not your insurer's. The bottom line? Read your policy carefully, stay on top of home maintenance, and consider additional coverage if you're in a high-risk area. Don't wait until disaster strikes to find out what's not covered. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you understand the importance of knowing what your homeowner's insurance actually covers. Stay informed, stay protected, and don't let misunderstandings cost you thousands.